We finna go for a walk out in nature, aren't we, girls?
Yeah. Can you stop copying me while
Yeah, look at this beautiful stuff out here.
Don't do that. Here's the video I made.
Do y'all hear that noise?
What noise?
The animals.
Fishing, that's what it is. They turn it into a fish.
Yeah, we can come out here and fish. We got some people out there in the boat. Fishing. Some further out. Over there. You can smell nothing but wood.
Where's Papa go? Oh. How did Papa come down on the water?
Somebody fishing down there.
Hey, how do you fish with this?
You hear all the animals? Let's go.
Okay, so you can swim in that water. The spiders are helping.
Look at that duck. Look at this bird, son.
I see it.
Why is he walking on water? How can you walk on water?
It's not that deep, Lila.
Come on.
They ain't running from you, is they? That's not funny. Oh Lord, it's squirming, it's slushy. Come over
I got the geese tail. Wait, we going to Michigan Adventures?
here. When, Lila?
Lauren said she's going.
How do you see one? And I don't see anything in there.
That's a tadpole thing. The frog thing. Where's the frog? That's a lily pad. What a ooh!
Swans all the way down there.
The wheel is a fish.
Doggy. Ain't scared of the swans.
Look.
Maybe won't fall like last time.
When? Like, what are you talking about? We sure will. I ain't going down there.
I'll go down. Why does it look like that? Like the honey, if you fall like last time, you got the earthquake.
Granny, it's Lauren. I never fail. What are you talking about?
Well, before Kyrie ate something.
No. Papa said, let's go.
No, Lauren was 5. No, Lauren, you was 6. I was 6 when Kyrie was 4. I don't know how old Kyrie is. I feel like he was the same age forever. Yeah. Just look the same height. I feel like he's still in elementary school.
He is still in elementary school.
We went up here before.
Yeah, we did.
I
I don't think Lauren ever did.
did.
No, you didn't.
Right here.
Violet Warren. Woo! They locked it up.
What's in there?
I don't know. Yeah, they didn't cut everything off.
about camera?
They gonna take the camera.
Yo, I think that
You think something in there gonna take the camera?
Is this like Minecraft?
Skyline, John.
I did, John.
Granny, is this like Minecraft?
It might be. We used to go at the top and everything.
Uh-oh, we have to go down here.
Can you handle it, Lord?
Alright, let's see. The first one.
Go back down the hill. You finna fall. Yeah, Granny leaving you. What is Lila doing? Oh, there she go. Maybe, maybe not. And it's not a house. Look at all the acorns on the ground. Number acorns. Oh, Lord.
What is that? That's a
A hole, Lila.
Do you know a black hole out in space?
Yeah.
That's scary. And they have white hole.
No one's gonna fall, Lauren. I'm not gonna fall. Well, yep, this is our little nature walk up, family. We were just taking it been raining for like 2 weeks straight, raining and snowing. We finally got to get out. Cold weather. It's kind of cold right now, but it feels good. Yeah, feels good. Don't it, Lila? Hater. Whoa. It feels good. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa.
Rotten egg. Whoever gets a apartment is the rotten egg.
And you always gonna be the rotten egg.
Oh no! Hey, it is Granny and the kids, and it's the end of the video.
Hey guys, we made it home from our long walk. We glad we made it back.
And we about to pack our bags. Right?
So peace. Thanks for watching.